Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Citroen C3. Just turn the fan down there, not to make so much noise. Then we have to make sure Bluetooth is on and we're watching out at the bottom. It's already picked up BT radio, but I'll just show you. We'll switch it off, and then on again. Go to picked it up straight away again, so it's a good signal, obviously. But what you have to do, if you go to menu here, and then here you've got, let's just flip it across. Sorry, trip computer, personalization configuration, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth telephone and audio. So we click OK in the middle. That's what we want. Then you've got Bluetooth configurations. That one manages telephone call. That's greyed out because there's nothing, it's not a telephone call and there's nothing connected. So Bluetooth configuration, so click OK. At the moment it's on delete a paired equipment, but you can either connect, disconnect to an equipment or perform a Bluetooth search, but up to connect, disconnect an equipment and then click OK. Now this is where I struggled before because it wouldn't connect to audio, but anyway, telephone function. That's what we want. So telephone function, click on there, and then we click here. It's thinking about it, see what happens. Now it's asking me for a code, so I'll just put in 4 noughts, click pair. Then accept the pairing with Barry's iPhone 13. So we want yes. So yes is highlighted. If you wanted to do no, you just click the sideways arrow, but as I say yes, and then click OK in the center. And then we've got to put the code I just put in there. And so if I click on naught, paired with Barry's phone, success. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. And it should let me just try and find it. There you go, BT radio connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the audio system in this 2012 Citroen C3. Now it's not quite as easy as you would expect, and it's very, very frustrating. In fact, I've only just done it by accident. I'm pretty sure it didn't used to do this and it wasn't like it, so it's possibly something to do with one of the iPhone recent updates. If you can't play music through the system, I'll just show you. If you go to your iTunes, and there's a tune here, I'll turn it down. Sorry, turn it down. That's turned it back to the beginning. The silver triangle with the 3 silver circles. If I click on that, you'll see there iPhone. There's only iPhone there. Even though the phone's paired to this system, it's not showing up on the audio. So what you would normally do is go to menu, highlight the telephone Bluetooth, like so. Bluetooth configuration, click OK. Connect, disconnect an equipment, click OK again. And there you see you've got telephone function and audio streaming function. Now if you go on audio streaming function, highlight the phone, my phone's showing up, click OK. Nothing's happened here at all. I still can't pick it up. So it's not showing and it won't connect. However, if you switch the ignition off, or the engine off, just turn it to position 1, do the same thing again, menu, highlight Bluetooth telephone, click OK, Bluetooth configurations, click OK, connect, disconnect an equipment, click OK. So it's already showing up, BT radio, and then you can stream music. So the radio's on, I've got it turned down at the moment. You go to source, at the moment it's on, there you go, just click it back to radio. That's radio, click again, input auxiliary 1, click again, Pure Shores, which is what's playing here. And then if I turn it up, you see, turn the engine off, turn it on again, and there's no sign of the BT or the Bluetooth radio in here, and until it's picked it up now. So it's quite confusing. If you're having any problems connecting, turn the ignition off, turn it to the first position so the engine's not running but your electrics are on, and then just go through that click the menu, click the OK button, Bluetooth configuration, disconnecting equipment, and highlight audio, and remember to do this with the engine off but the electrics on, and audio streaming. That's it. Wasn't easy today. I'm sure it must be due to an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.